Hello, welcome. In this video, I'll answer the question, where's the Wi-Fi button on your MSI laptop with Windows 11? So the quickest way to access the Wi-Fi settings is to just press left click on your mouse in the bottom right corner, and you'll find your Wi-Fi here. You can click on the Wi-Fi icon to disable or enable the Wi-Fi connections, or you can enter using the arrow and press more Wi-Fi settings, and here you'll be able to adjust this feature according to your liking. For example, you can read about your MAC address, your IP, and stuff like that. You can also show available networks, disable it, enable it. You can also run a speed test, and the settings will be here for you to adjust. So I believe we're done for the video. If you consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.